Write a Python code for converting octal string into equivalent binary and hexadecimal value. Accept the octal value in the form of string. Input of enter any octal value preceded with 0V, 0O. And next, convert that octal value into decimal value. dv is equal to int of OV comma 8, whose base is that. Binary value is equal to bin of, convert the decimal value into binary. Done. Next, hexadecimal value is equal to hex of decimal value. And print this data. Print of bin of that octal value is equal to binary value. Dot format of IOV comma BV. Next, I will print hex of octal equivalent string is equal to hexadecimal value you enter and OV comma HV, octal value. Let us run this code. I will enter equivalent octal value 0O17 I will enter, which is called what? 0111 is called for binary, 0xf is called hexa. So thank you. For more videos, subscribe NareshIT channel.